Alright, YouTube, y'all know what it is, man. We back with another video, and this video we're gonna be talking about the Andis Envy II clipper. Once again, if you've been watching my channel, you know I already did a review of this clipper. However, this review is gonna be slightly different because we swapped the blades on it. We put the Andis Master Blade on here. If you watch my original video of me talking about the Andis Envy clipper, then you would know that they give you the bracket that comes with two sets of screws. So you get the screws for the regular blade that they give you, and then you get two closer screws, which allows you to put the Andis Master Blade on there. So you can put this blade, this is the traditional taper blade, you can put the phase blade or the fade blade or even the Fat Master Blade if you want. So I think that's pretty dope. But in this video, we're gonna be talking about how this thing performed with the Andis Master Blade. Let's get it.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, so y'all know I already did an unboxing and a review of this clipper, so I'm not really gonna talk about too much about that. I'm just gonna talk to y'all about the performance of this clipper with this blade. Now, I did say in my previous Envy video that I wasn't sure how that ceramic cutter was gonna, I wasn't sure if it was gonna perform good, and I was impressed with how it performed, but I'm even more impressed with how it performed with this blade. Me personally, I love this Andis blade. I prefer the fade blade, but I like using the Andis Master Blade also because I really enjoy using the purple guards, right? So the fact that you can interchange this clipper blade and put an Andis Master Blade on there is automatically a win, at least in my book. And then with this cutting blade, I don't know what it is, but for some reason that combination just works well. In my personal opinion, I think this clipper actually works better with the Master Blade. Now, once again, that is just my opinion. Y'all can do with it whatever y'all want. Y'all can say I'm wrong, y'all can say I'm right, but obviously y'all clicked on this video because y'all find my opinion valuable. So I'm here trying to tell y'all the truth, at least what I think about it. And once again, I think putting the Master Blade on this clipper is the move. I did say that this clipper did perform, good without this blade when I used the original blade that it came with. And I think that's because it came with the phase blade, and I really enjoy using that phase blade, right? So it did work good, but I just feel a little more comfortable with the Master Blade. Now, once again, you can put any Master Blade on here you want. This is just the one that I had extra on another clipper, so I threw it on here just to try it out. And once again, guys, I gotta say I'm really impressed, and I'm really liking the way this thing's performed. Originally with the other blade on it, I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it on my station. You know, I might have just put it to the side, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I probably would have never used it again. And that's not saying that it's a bad clipper. I just have other clippers that I like in front of it, right? But this clipper with this blade, it makes it a whole different clipper. I think if you like using the Andis Master guards and you like using the Master, but you don't like the weight of it, you don't like the way it feels, I think this is a good alternative, especially because it is made from Andis. So you get the same clipper body, or at least the same brand body with the same blade, with the same guards and all that. So if you're an Andis fan but really didn't like the cordless Masters, you may like this. I'm not saying you will, but you might, right? So nonetheless, man, I think the performance of the Andis Masters blade on the Andis Envy II is the way to go with this clipper. I'm gonna keep this blade on it and I'm gonna keep it on my station. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna be my go-to clipper or that it's my favorite clipper. I'm just saying that it is better with this blade and I like the way it cuts. I don't know why, I just feel that it cuts a little more smoother, a little more, it's just a little better overall. So I think I'm gonna keep this blade on there and I'm gonna keep rocking with it like that. But yeah, man, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about that because I know y'all are interested in what you can do with clippers and how they come, and if we can change the blades, if we can mod them and stuff like that. So I wanted to inform y'all that this clipper is made to be modded, and I think this is the way to go. That's just my personal opinion, man. But y'all seen the videos of me using this clipper with this blade, so y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments, man. And also, once again, guys, if you are interested in this clipper, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 on their website. And if you do that, make sure you cop the Andis blade, the Andis Master blade also, because like I said, I think that that's the move. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. You.